For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Loopring is a venture that acquired enormous consideration in the last 50% of 2021. From that point forward, the undertaking's local area has developed considerably. This prompted the interest of the overall population also. All the more exactly, many individuals are investigating the course of Loopring's cost expectations for the impending years. This is precisely exact thing we will zero in on in this video. Notwithstanding, we will likewise discuss Loopring exhaustively, how to purchase Loopring, its set of experiences, and so forth. What is Loopring? Loopring is a decentralized trade convention that empowers the exchanging of Ethereum-based tokens, ERC20. The convention is intended to be versatile, proficient, and secure. Loopring utilizes a ring of marked requests to match purchasers and dealers. This considers the execution of exchanges on different trades at the same time, which diminishes slippage and further develops cost revelation. Likewise, the utilization of rings disposes of the requirement for an incorporated request book, which makes the convention stronger to assault. The Loopring Foundation is liable for the turn of events and support of the convention. The foundation is upheld by various driving associations in the blockchain space, including Fenbush Capital, One Confirmation, and FTX, Blockfilio. The Loopring network is controlled by the Loopring token, LRC, which is utilized to pay expenses and impetus members in the organization. The convention utilizes shrewd agreements to coordinate and execute exchanges, which lessens the gamble of counterparty default and takes into account trustless exchanging. There are two fundamental pieces of the organization, the relay and the order book. The relay is a decentralized hub network that keeps a cutting-edge perspective on the blockchain and executes exchanges. Then again, the order book is a decentralized request book that permits clients to submit, drop, or take care of requests. Loopring is intended to be, as we referenced prior, versatile and effective, and it upholds MetaMask, Ledger, Trezor, and other famous wallets. The venture is open source and local area driven, which is the reason such countless individuals have confidence in the organization. How does Loopring work? Since Loopring is a publicly released, reviewed, and non-custodial trade convention, there's no one in the biological system you should share your assets with. All things being equal, the inventive ZK rollup security highlight guarantees your resources are totally influenced quite a bit by. The actual organization additionally expresses that it 100% guarantees the well-being of its clients' funds. Something else we should note here is that exchanges and move settlements through agreements are made off the Ethereum blockchain. This implies an intense decrease in gas charges. Yet it implies that the general expense of exchanges is very low. To be more exact, Loopring has an exchange expense of 0.1% level for takers and 0% for creators. This implies assuming you are adding to the liquidity pool and are the person who is making the exchange, there will be no exchange charge for you. Obviously, this should be finished through the Loopring D app to work. At the hour of posting, the Loopring convention can settle up to 2025 exchanges each second. This is true information conveyed by the Loopring site. Simultaneously, in spite of the fact that exchanges are made off-chain since the convention is layered 2, it has a similar security levels as Ethereum. Could Loopring reach $5? Loopring is a venture that accompanies a great deal of utility. This is the very thing numerous financial backers love about it. Proprietors are hopeful about the advancement of the organization once the market settles. That is the reason so many accept the cost won't just reach $5 yet go past. Be that as it may, we should consider it briefly. The ongoing cost of Loopring is around 50 cents. This implies it will require a 10x expansion to arrive at a value assessment of $5. With an ongoing business sector cap of $675 million, this will bring about another market cap of almost $7 billion. Albeit this could seem like a great deal, it is really possible. This will put it simply behind Dogecoin and Polkadot, which as of now have a market cap of around $10 billion and $9 billion, individually. To this end we likewise think that Loopring will reach $5. Nonetheless, the outcomes won't come at any point in the near future. To start with, we really want to see market adjustment. This will occur after the tactical contentions in Europe get settled. Up to that point, the market will continue to be tumultuous and negative. 2022. For 2022 explicitly, there are two things that can influence the LRC cost more than anything. These eventual the goal of the struggles in Europe or their acceleration. On the off chance that things settle down, we can anticipate that the cost of Loopring should go up to $1.15 or more. Remember that this is a fairly safe future cost of LRC. Then again, assuming the contentions further raise, we can see an extra drop on the lookout. This will influence the cost of Loopring, and it could go for around 30 cents. 2023. Things are comparable with 2023, albeit the greatest component here will be the way generally embraced digital currencies will be, by individuals as well as by wards and establishments. We accept that the symbolic will begin recovering its previous prime and go up to around $1.80 or even $2.50. Then again, we could likewise see a market stagnation, which will prompt LRC being assessed at around $1.20. 2024. Expecting the market quiets down a bit, we will see just a slight change in the lower and upper reaches. That would be around a 20% increase or 10% drop in cost. The greatest cost will be somewhere close to $2.80 and $3.10, while the base ought to be around $1.50. There is a sorry change, yet we should keep a watch out what the Bitcoin splitting will resemble. There's an opportunity it will unequivocally influence the crypto market. 2025. The further we move away from the ongoing time, the more speculative we will get. By 2025, we'd expect to see considerably more reception of cryptographic forms of money. This will be perfect for in a real sense each token out there that has utility. Those without utility will definitely vanish, as we can see by survey verifiable information. We can anticipate that Loopring cost should reach somewhere in the range of $3.50 up to $4 assuming we are more hopeful. In any case, many accept it will have broken the $10 by then, despite the fact that we don't have the foggiest idea how that could occur. In any case, we really want to try to keep the cost moderate, which is the reason we go with $4. 2026. 2026 will simply additionally demonstrate whether the cryptographic money market will see more prominent reception. We absolutely accept it will. Hence, we can anticipate that the cost of Loopring should be emphatically upheld at around $4 while arriving at the greatest cost of $4.70. This is our cost expectation for a